Alright, we got the top Kevin Hart roast on talk show host. So, we're gonna get this thing started. I don't want to waste no more time.
I have an exclusive announcement.
I do have an announcement. Okay, this is actually breaking news right
Breaking.
now. Breaking news, and I chose to do it here. Despite your choice of bad suits.
Oh, your ass, Stephen A.
I chose. You see how fast
That was
it
like,
came?
that was like,
Hey, real quick, make me say this. Ask him what sermon is he preaching at tomorrow. Kenny in here dressed like a pastor that ain't make it. What church failed that you used to preach at?
hey,
You know, I come here, you guys are
TNT,
really
be
cool
fucking them
about
up.
me doing my thing. And it may be because I'm better than you at your jobs. I don't know, okay? The fact that I'm a walking almanac. The fact that I don't wake up. I ask for respect. Don't point at me. I ask for respect.
I think you know what an
That little
almanac
ass
is.
finger.
Oh, my name is Nate, and I got on a suit with a nice tie, so I'm gonna say something like this.
Almanac.
Hey,
I think you mean an
I do this to
encyclopedia.
my nephew all the
I'm
time.
Mac, and I know words.
Like Gloucester.
I'm sick of it.
That shit's so
Both of you.
funny, bro.
You're gonna get this woman the respect that she deserves from now on, else I will come back.
That was
Yeah,
And I let some
sick
things
of that.
slide, Colin. Like when you wear corduroys and your back pockets touch, I don't say nothing. When you got, I let it go, you know, because I don't know. That means you have no ass. Everybody knows what it means. No ass.
Steven uses a lot of the big
Who was
words.
that
I
guy?
don't really think he knows the definition of a lot of these words,
He don't.
but he throws them out at great,
concur.
at
He
great
don't.
points to make him come off as an educated man.
Such as?
Yeah. Well, I've heard Steve use words like despicable. He used it wrong a couple times. He was like, listen to me, Skip. You have no despicable timing. I was like, what? What is that?
Where'd that go?
Yeah, definitely
Yeah.
it wasn't supposed to be there.
Right.
He does that a lot.
Kev, how are you doing?
I am good.
You're a married man.
I know, off the market.
Calm down, ladies. It's all gone, ladies. You missed your chance.
You missed your chance.
You had a chance. You chose 50 Cent. You chose wrong. You chose wrong back then.
We talked about you possibly. I asked you actually. I said, "What would make your day?" And Shaq said, "Go ahead and say it." You said, "Win the MVP," and here it is.
Yeah, I just wanted to go out there and compete and have fun. You know, that's what this game is about. It's about, you know, being with the fans and, you know, putting on the show. And I feel like we did
That's
that.
not the most stupidest answer I've heard.
It took 7 years. And then I was like, you know what? She deserves it because I can't keep just letting this walk around free. That's not fair to her. Like, I gotta lock this up. I'm talking about my body. That's what I'm talking about. So I proposed, man, and I can honestly say, will you stop laughing?
Please.
No, I was serious when I said that. That wasn't a joke. I was serious.
Where were you last year when the Eagles stunk?
Oh, I'm
Where were
sorry.
you? I couldn't find you. I was looking for you. I couldn't find you.
Oh,
I
that's
couldn't find
right.
you anyway. You're too busy.
That's right.
But now they got a little. They win in a few games and
That's right, because
Where
you
were
speak
last
about the
year?
Knicks.
Where were you last?
Because you talk about the Knicks. Who speaks up on the team's behalf when your team is losing?
True.
There's nothing to talk about.
You don't.
So as a sports fan, if you got nothing to
just
say,
hush.
you don't say it
At
at all.
all. Nothing.
Right now, guess what? My birds are flying. That's what we do. Soaring. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna talk. I bleed Philadelphia.
Man is giving you the business on your birthday, Stephen A. Smith.
You know what? Another cupcake. Ruined.
He ruined Philadelphia.
Hey, Kevin, I've seen your new show where you sit in the hot tub. Your body ain't that good when you can just walk around without your shirt off. I
First
just
of all,
want you to know
if
that.
we're ever going to talk about bodies, I want you not to be the one to bring that conversation. All right? If you don't get out of here shaped like a beanbag that got sand in it.
I like where Max
Got his ass a
goes.
Swiss
Max not
bean
afraid of
bag.
it. See, that was Skip's problem. Skip would get afraid, and he would start to hunch his shoulders real weird, and then his stance would just get unconfident, and then he would slouch. You beat him down. Max ain't standing for that. You're not gonna beat Max down.
Oh,
You're
bro.
a bully with a capital B. You come here and you bully people with words that we don't understand. Half that stuff ain't even in a dictionary.
Oh, my mama.
That would be him.
You got to.
That would be him. That would be him. That's not me. I've got nothing on him.
You're looking at a player that glossicizes. What did you say?
That would be him.
That
would be him.
He glossicizes, and that makes him a traumatical disastication. What? What are you talking about? Okay? I hear you
Pretty
up
sure
here.
you did say galacticize at one point. I
He
never know
does.
what it meant.
Never did it. Never
Up here naming dinosaurs.
Let's go.
The one thing that me and Q kept talking about, we was like, yo, the way that you wear your jeans, they're like so fitted, they're so small, like whenever you walk, it's like petite, like put together, but it's like something's mysterious about it. And we was like, y'all don't know how much we mess with him because of the way he walks. He's like, Carter, man, you gotta.
There's nothing wrong with the way I walk. I have a normal walk.
Hey, how come you didn't play in the celebrity game this year, man?
Oh,
well, you're the perennial
What
MVP.
else do you want from me?
I'm a real-time MVP. I'm in a Hall of Fame of celebrity games. It's over. It's over.
I can't do it anymore. I achieved greatness. Shaq, you know what that feels like.
Yes,
Kenny, I know you know what that feels.
Yes.
I'm stopping right there.
Well, I have one question here.
Well, ask it, Skip.
Why morning after morning do you sit up in your bed watching us talk about nothing? Could it be because you're addicted to watching us talk about nothing?
No.
Like so many viewers are?
No.
Yes.
I'm addicted to what are you gonna say wrong next? That's what I'm addicted. You know, Skip, I've never seen a
forgot all
man
about this. I said
that
this
can
to
be
somebody in
wrong
the past.
and keep the same straight face. In my life, I've
What's
never
the
seen
cigarette
somebody
face?
that's wrong so much. I've seen Skip contradict himself so many times and look in the camera and not blink. When it comes to LeBron James,
Look at this
how many
nigga
times has
face,
this man
bro.
contradicted himself?
I'm done, man. Can I join
You better be done, because if you smile fast enough, your lips will bleed.
I'm on fire! Bow, bow, bow! Look, he's uncomfortably drinking water. Shaq, I told you I was gonna get him, Shaq.
Real quick, do we have anybody that can fly some chats to get for Kenny before we
I got some in my navel. Did you hear about Charles the other night? Hey,
You're on national television.
Kenny
let it go.
Kenny's lips look like Ernest bow tie.
Listen, man, you've been on the show several times. You've gotten beat down on several occasions.
I've never lost.
That's a lie.
I've never lost.
Listen, that's one of the things my word of the day, fabricate. How about that one?
Bloviate is a lot better.
Well, you say bloviate. Where you get it from? Because you didn't know about it until I said it.
First of all, you
tell
know
the
where I got it from?
Where?
One of the words that you pull out your behind because you don't know what you're talking about. That's what you do, man.
On his head, boy.
It looks like a bottomless pit. What's that in the real part?
That's Vaseline.
I don't even like the fact you're trying to show abs and it just pushed another piece of fat out.
Question, do you guys have a problem with you saying his comments?
I do. I'm trying to figure out.
I want you to lower your voice. Lower your voice.
Oh, man, Cam.
You're not talking to her. You're going to give me the respect that I deserve.
Don't
talk to me like I'm a man.
Played Molly dope ass.
Go ahead.
You're not talking to her. Go give me the respect.
I have a problem with what he said. I'm trying to figure out how in God's name.
I'm done with you, Steve. Max.
Well, clearly.
Apollo. And Dick Cheney. Take a sip.
Hey, stop. Colin, why don't y'all two switch toupees?
Nothing that deserves more. That was funny. To the debate.
While you're very athletic for an actor, for a comedian.
I'm going to stop you right there. I'm done. You want to know what I'm seeing?
Oh no, them niggas is mad as fuck.
Lower your voice.
They was mad as
You're not talking to her.
Hold on, I would
You're going to give me the respect that I deserve. Don't talk to me like I'm a man.
Faces when he talk about the
Go ahead.
I have a problem with what he said.
Oh, shit.
I'm trying to figure out how in God's name.
I'm done with you, Steve. Max.
Well, clearly.
Apollo. And Dick Cheney. Take a sip.
Hey, stop. Colin, why don't y'all two switch toupees?
Nothing that deserves more. That was funny. To the debate.
While you're very athletic for an actor, for a comedian.
I'm going to stop you right there. I'm done. I'm done. You want to know what I'm seeing? You want to know what I'm smelling? Jealousy. Jealousy. I'm sorry that my body is perfect. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry that I'm in the most
perfect.
amazing shape that I can possibly be in. I'm sorry that I don't sit down
Stephen
and my
A. is
underwear
like-
is flip over, that little band flip over like it does you guys.
Is that why you wore a onesie to the set today?
This is called a sweatsuit.
Oh.
It's called an athletic sweatsuit.
I wasn't sure.
Because you guys got snap-off suits on that you can grab from the back and do what you want with. You mad at me? I'm sick of it.
Oh shit, bro. Kev funny, man. Hey, shout out to Kevin Hart, bro. But hey, man, that's gonna do it for the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I really needed that laugh because it just woke me up. I am starving right now, but I'm not gonna make this any more longer because I already replayed some on the Navity video. My camera talking about it's overheated, so I'm gonna cut it off real quick so I can make this last video. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one.